Wagwan, my fellow beat makers. Wagwan. Long time I don't make a video. You see me? Just did I recover from the hurricane and things, so up again I know. You see it? I not to the video. To the video we are make a melody. Well, we are gonna make a beat and when we are gonna make the melody, but we not use no chords and them thing there. You see it? So we're gonna just make some melodies, mesh them together, and make a beat. You see me? Alright. Alright, so when I make beat like this, we can start off with the melody, but may I start off with the drums. Cause using the drums, we can, when we use the drums, we make the rhythm. So since we already have the rhythm of the beat, we just fill in the melody as we go along. Alright, so we have the rhythm. The rhythm of the beat, isn't me? So we make a melody. Alright, so we make a little melody, right? And me say we not use no chords, but we still have to use the principle of chords, or we still have to use the principle of keys. You see me? So as you can see, we use a C sharp minor key. So we use the C sharp minor key to form the basis of the melody, but me not use no chord. You see it? Yeah. And that not sound too bad, isn't me? So I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna change the instrument. Alright, yeah. That is sound that instrument that sound better, so can swap it out for your guitar. Alright, so now we're gonna add we'll give it some character. So we're gonna add some atmospheric melodies, you see me? Things were not so repetitive as this and space it. So we are gonna add some atmospheric melodies, or what we like to call it ear candy. You see me? Nah, man, I like that. All right, so we are rise up harmless, and we are gonna look for some effects. All right, you see me? We'll see where that I go. Yeah, that's when I get to go somewhere. All right, so we are load up GMS, and we're gonna add we'll add one more effect. Me I think about to add another one after this, but we could hear how this go and then we decide. I understand what going on, so. This give me one completely different effect from what it's supposed to give me. That weird the fuck. That weird. That weird, I don't know for this, so let's see. Alright, you see me? Making a melody without chords. You see me? Yeah, so we just run into a little technical difficulty, you see it. So, my recorder stopped record a while ago. I never realized I actually finished the beat. You see me? And one hear me there, I talk to myself, brother, sign. But anyways, the beat finished, me done mix it. You see me? So I make you hear it. You see it? So, I go have a next video ready soon. You see me? Come there again. You see me? Recover from this time. You see me? So, give thanks to everybody who subscribe and everybody who show support. You see me? We have a MIDI giveaway coming up when we reach 1,000 subscribers. But there are 950 now. So, about 50 subscribers left, and then at the free MIDI giveaway. You see me? So, yeah, man, keep learning, keep making bang at them. You see me? Make sure you don't practice consistently. And, you see me, in no time, progress I go show. You see? So, without further ado, me soon in our next one. You see me? So, here we go on.